remember me when the rain has washed the sand to the sea, when all the childhood dreams are fallen, when all the leaves have dried and scorned my name. Though many times I've had the plan to look into your eyes and hold your hand, I guess my mind went on the blink. My lips would close, my heart would sink and cry. But I hardly knew you. Goodbye. But I hardly knew you. Goodbye. Lord, please remember me. Think of these sweet memories. And when someone else is at your door, remember that I'll always love you more. Lord, please remember me. Think of these sweet memories. And when we part and go away, I hope that in your mind a song will stay. But I hardly knew you. Goodbye.